Welcome to English 7 on Thursday, September 24th. Today's learning target is going to be how to respond to assignments with audio or video recordings. Looking at our upcoming due dates, we have our assignment for today, which is an audio-video discussion. It's officially due by next Monday. We have the letter to myself, which was in Wednesday's lesson. It is also due on Monday, September 28th. And finally, today, Thursday the 24th, it is the last day to choose your independent novel by filling out the Google form in Monday's folder. You can fill out this form up to midnight tonight. Heading over into our agenda, you are going to fill out today's bell ringer. Go ahead and pause the video and come back when you're done. All right, hopefully you had fun with today's bell ringer. It's really about practicing with Cami more than anything, since I will be using Cami quite a bit. Going to the second item on our agenda, we've got a couple of reminders about Fridays and the hybrid model. Let's start with Fridays. Here's a reminder that on Fridays, the schedule looks different. And Fridays are just the same no matter if we're distance learning or hybrid learning. At 8:10 on a Friday morning, you are going to attend your advisory Google Meet. You'll have about 20 minutes of advisory before we move to the next section, where for a 2-hour window, 8:30 to 10:30, you have the ability to check in with your teachers on their Google Meets. You can check in if you have a question or need help, or a teacher might require you to check in if you've fallen behind in their class. Just know that they are only available during this 2-hour window, 8:30 to 10:30. For the rest of the day, you should visit every single one of your Schoology courses, both day 1 and day 2, and complete any Friday tasks that they put in there. Those Friday tasks are how your teachers are going to take attendance for Friday's lesson. You should also go over your weekly checklist just to make sure you didn't miss anything, and if you did, it's a great time to catch up on your missing work. If you have questions about the Friday schedule at Osseo Middle, you can contact any of your teachers on Schoology Messages. The next item on our agenda is to look at next week's hybrid model, just in case you're struggling with how that's going to look. Some reminders about the hybrid model. You do not attend your Google Meets on Mondays through Thursdays, not like you did during distance learning. You do instead go to school 2 days a week. The other 2 days, you will complete online lessons that your teachers will place in their Schoology courses. And then you will follow the same Friday schedule as you have been this week and last week. Now, just to show you an example of what this will look like. If you were, say, in the A group, and by the way, it will say in student view if you are A or B. Those in the A group will come to school on Monday. They will follow the 7-period day all day long. Then on Tuesday, they will stay home. They will check into their day 1 classes on Schoology and complete any online lessons that the teachers have put there for them. You need to complete these lessons by the end of the day so that you will be marked as present. These same students will then go back to school on Wednesday. This time they'll follow their day 2 schedule. And when they're home on Thursday, they'll check into all of their day 2 classes and complete those online lessons. online lessons should be completed by the end of the day. You get to decide, though, what order you want to do these lessons in. Friday is the same as it will be this week and last week. You attend an advisory Google Meet at 8:10. There's a 2-hour window to check in with teachers. You check all of your Schoology courses on Friday, and you've wrapped up your week. If you have questions about the hybrid model, be sure to contact your teachers. Moving on. The next item is to watch a 4.5-minute video on how to use the audio and video recordings on your Schoology. At this time, find this video in the Thursday Schoology folder and watch it. Pause this video while you watch. Now that you've watched this video on how to use the audio and video recording on Schoology, we're going to head on back to today's assignment, which is the audio-video discussion. This can be found in your Thursday folder on Schoology. So as I open up the Thursday folder, here it is at the bottom, audio-video discussion. I am going to record a short greeting telling the class my name and one thing about me. This should take anywhere from 5 to 30 seconds. You can choose if you'd rather do an audio recording where you only record your voice, or if you'd prefer to use video where we can see your face as well. Please make sure that you have submitted your video by midnight on Monday, September 28th. Now you must submit a comment before you can see other people's replies. So if you scroll down, you can see who has commented, but you cannot hear what they said. So make sure you get your submission in so that you can enjoy other people's greetings. At this time, if you have any question about today's lesson, please contact me using your Schoology messages.